Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this AI tool. This AI tool is actually fantastic. It's actually going to be showing you like a presentation, and you can actually use it for your ebook or YouTube. Okay, so it depends on what you want to use it for, and I'm going to be showing you how it works right here, right now. So this AI is actually free and it is not free. It is free in that you can actually use it probably for at least twice or something, because they're actually going to be giving you free credit. Then you need to pay later on. It's actually $8, so you don't need to like actually put much money on it. So what's the name of the website? So let's go into our Chrome and check it out. So it's actually Tom. So you're going to be searching for Tom online, Tommy or something like that. So the first, which is right here, Tommy AI power storytelling. So it's actually like it can actually do your presentation for you. Probably you're doing a presentation. Yeah. You want to do a presentation on let's say electrical stuff or office, or you want to talk about a story, or you want it to write a story for you, then you can actually tell him to do it. So you get, and it's going to be adding images, which ChatGPT doesn't do. You get, it's actually like a presentation stuff. You get what I'm saying? So it's actually very simple. You can actually do that with this AI actually. So you need to sign up. When you sign up, you're actually going to be getting the free access. So you can actually upgrade right here. There is free access and there is upgrade. So this is free access, which is $0 right here. You can see what I'm being given 500 AI credit per person. You get, so after this, I need to jump to it is $8. You get, and it's actually upgraded. That's it. I'm very sorry about the rain. Actually, today is actually my birthday, right? And I'm still recording. This is, I think, this 3/21. Happy birthday to me. If you really want to wish me happy birthday, actually you can subscribe, click on the subscribe and click on the description bell. I can actually comment in the comment section happy birthday. Yeah, I really appreciate that also. So let's just jump into it. So I can actually like tell you, okay, to create something, up. So I'm going to be like, let it load up. So it's actually like adding all this, it's actually adding things. So I can tell it that I want it to like create a story book on honesty, right? Or financial management. You get, so let's write it like so so I'm going to tell it to create a storybook on financial management. Then let's see, it's going to be generating the outline for us. I think the first, yeah, the outline, like the content, the table of content. So you can actually use it for a book. You just need to like enhance it, tell it to speak more, and that you need to pay for that one. You get me? So you can see what it actually brings out. The financial fairy tale, a storybook for managing your money. Introduction. This is my financial management. What is financial management? The benefit of storytelling. Okay, everything, and then we continue. Click on continue to create the presentation. You get, if you like it like that, so you create the presentation. So it's actually going to be creating it for you. Probably it's going to be probably 9 pages or so. So you can actually like expand it, tell it to expand it or something like that if you want more of it. Get, but you can actually use it for a presentation at home or at work or in school. You get, I'm a student also, so I can actually use this for my presentation. It's going to generate what I want for me, and I'm going to like present it to get. It's actually like a presentation so for, but this you can actually use it for YouTube. Sure, you get that you can actually like reduce the stuff. It's actually done, and it's 8 pages right here. we did 8 pages, so we can actually like play it up. Let's see how it looks like. So when we play it up, see what it looks like. See, introduction. Welcome everybody. Today we are going to be talking about financial management, which is the so this is actually pictures. You see, it's actually not bad. You get, so if you want to start doing this on your YouTube channel, you need short writings and pictures. Yeah, like probably I'm going to be putting this short probably from year to year is short, then pictures. Yeah, because people are not going to read everything like that. You get what I'm saying, and it's actually too short here. So you need to like split the things up, like, and you need to put some voices on that. You get what I'm saying? So this is everything there, and it's actually very nice. I know some people is actually going to like most people is actually going to jump on this because it's actually not bad. It's actually AI and it is not bad. It's actually very good for me and I can actually make use of this. So it's going to be telling you how many um credits you're using. Do you understand? Let's check. So when we say we want to export this as PDF, it's not going to. It's actually for. I think export as PDF is actually for Pro. Yeah, so you need to upgrade to get that. So this is actually um like a template, like a presentation stuff. So you can actually make use of the writings and pictures and then make your own in a very great way since you have the perspective, you have gotten the writing already and the pictures. You just need a little bit of pictures if you want to do easy a YouTube, but your presentation is set if you want this as a presentation. So you get, so that's how it is. If you like this video, kindly subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos on my channel. You don't want to miss out. It has been long I drop videos here. I know. And I'm sorry about that. So click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos on my channel. You don't want to miss out because I drop new things that's actually going to be helping you on my channel. So thank you.